In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use forms in HubSpot. This comprehensive and practical guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you know exactly how to utilize the powerful Forms tool within HubSpot for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. So, let's dive right in. First, we want to navigate to the Forms tool. Once you're inside HubSpot, head over to the Marketing section and select Forms. You'll find the Create Form button waiting for you in the top right corner. Click on that. Now, you'll have a choice to make. Either go with the Form Editor, which is the modern and recommended version, or choose the Legacy Form Editor if you're needing to tweak some older forms. Moving on, it's time to build your form. Here you can select a template if one suits your needs, or if you prefer a bit more flexibility, you can start from scratch with a blank form. Next, give your form a unique name. You can do this easily by clicking on the pencil icon at the top of the screen, a small step but so important for organization. Now it's time to add and customize your fields. Simply hit the +Add button and then drag and drop fields into your form layout. Each field you add should connect to an existing HubSpot property like email or name. But if what you need doesn't exist yet, you can create new properties right then and there. As you set each field, take time to edit the label, placeholder text, required status, or the default values in the right panel. This ensures everything aligns with the data you're trying to collect. Next, consider adding some extra elements. Want to include a heading, an image, or a rich text block perhaps? Maybe even a reCAPTCHA to help with security? You'll find all these elements under the Other section, which you can then drag into your form layout. Once your form is taking shape, it's crucial to configure its behavior after submission. Navigate to the On Submit or Options tab to determine what happens once someone submits. You can display a thank you message or redirect the user to a specific HubSpot page, an external URL, or a meeting scheduling link if you're on the enterprise tier. By configuring lifecycle stages or setting up notifications, you enhance the form's functionality and user interactivity. For those on HubSpot's advanced plans, consider adding conditional logic to refine the experience further. Set rules to show or hide fields based on user responses, or even skip steps based on their input. This keeps your form clean and user-friendly. If a longer form could benefit from being broken into sections, creating multi-step forms might be for you. Between steps, click the +Add icon to insert sections, and you can rearrange, clone, or delete these sections as needed. Customize the progress bar to visually guide users through the completion journey, enhancing their experience. Styling your form comes next. By clicking the Styling tab, you can adjust fonts, colors, field styles, and even the button design and background. Remember, any styling you set here will consistently apply across all form steps, keeping everything cohesive. With your form almost ready to go, think about the power of automation. Head to the Automation tab, where you can set up a simple follow-up email or even a more complex workflow. Workflows allow you to assign contact owners or trigger nurturing sequences, making your follow-ups seamless. Finally, the moment arrives to publish and embed your form. Hit Review and Update to set your form live. To integrate this form into your HubSpot pages, use the Form module. And if you're looking to utilize it on external sites, simply copy the embed code or grab a share link for standalone use. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to create and deploy forms using HubSpot, reinforcing your communication and data collection strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and happy form building.